Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Telegram to Whop. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is your starting point for managing your account and accessing personal settings. If you are not already signed in, make sure you log in first so you can access the account options needed for this setup. Once you are on the Whop home screen, move to the top right corner and click on your profile account. This will open the account menu, where you can find different options related to your profile and platform settings. If you do not immediately see it, take a moment to look for your profile icon or account image in that upper right area. After opening the account menu, click on the settings icon. This will take you into the section where you can manage your account preferences and integrations. Settings is where Whop keeps the controls for things like connected services. So this is the right place to continue if you want to link Telegram. Inside settings, look for the connected accounts option and click on it. This section is specifically designed for linking outside platforms and services to your Whop account. It helps keep all your integrations organized in one place, which makes it easier to manage them later if you ever want to review or disconnect them. When you are in connected accounts, find Telegram and click on it. This tells Whop that you want to begin the Telegram connection process. Depending on your device or browser, this may open a small pop-up window, a new page, or a confirmation screen. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure to complete the connection. The exact prompts can vary slightly, but usually you will be guided through authorizing the connection between Telegram and Whop. Read each screen carefully and approve the connection when prompted. It is a good idea to make sure you are signed into the correct Telegram account before confirming, especially if you use more than one account or device. Once the process is complete, your Telegram account should be connected to Whop. If something does not work right away, try refreshing the page, checking for any blocked pop-ups, or repeating the connection steps from the Connected Accounts section. Taking a moment to verify the correct account is linked can help avoid confusion later. That's it. You have now gone through the process of connecting Telegram to Whop.